guys, what is up? We Damon 2012 here. I have a quick video for you. I'm going 42-1, double dodge, and double cobras. I am beasting with these two revolvers. Ah! No, I was second death. So, yeah, I'll keep recording until it's over. Yeah, I'm only doing this 2 people. And we're all using pistols. This is crazy. It's just fun. This is the only guy not using revolvers. Now we're just playing one person. This is weird. Usually the match will end by now. Anyways guys, I just wanted to show you that I'm going 47 and 2 with double dogs and pretty beast gameplay. So I hope you guys enjoyed and don't forget to like it up.